Hello guys, it's Dale here with a weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, the 19th of December 2022. Now before I go into the trading ideas, I just wanted to give you a quick note about a sale which I'm running on my website. So if you go to my website, trader-dale.com, and click this green button, then it will take you to a page where you can get my best educational and indicator packs. If you are interested in learning how to trade with volume profile, then there's Elite pack. And if you are interested in learning how to trade with order flow, then there's the order flow pack. You can watch the videos, as those will show you what exactly is included in those packs. Alright, there's also a very special combo of those two packs. The combo will give you Elite and order flow pack. And currently there's also a huge discount on the combo as well, so you can get it in here until the 31st of December. The price for both will only be $5.97. Alright, so that's about that. Let me now switch over to the charts. So the first chart that I'd like to talk about is the Australian dollar Japanese yen. You're looking at a 30-minute time frame, and what I want to show you here is a trend setup that formed just recently. It is based on this downtrend and on heavy volumes accumulated in here in this little rotation within the downtrend. Now those volumes are telling us that sellers who were pushing the price downwards were active here, and that those sellers were adding to their short positions in here. This is the beginning of that heavy volume zone at 91.55, and I think that when the price retraces back to this heavy volume zone, it is likely that sellers from here will want to defend their shorts, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. Alright, so this should work as a resistance. What we need to do now is just wait for the pullback and take it from there. Now let me switch over to another chart, and the next one will be Canadian dollar Japanese yen. And in here there's also a trend setup. So let me show you. Again, you are looking at a 30-minute time frame. It's my favorite time frame to analyze the daily market movements. So here is downtrend, and volume profile points to this heavy volume zone within the downtrend. So again, similarly as in the previous case, this is telling us that sellers were adding to their short positions in here, and those sellers should become active again when the price hits this level. So when there's a pullback, it is likely that sellers from here will want to defend this heavy volume zone and push the price downwards from there again. Alright, so this is resistance number 1. Resistance number 2 is in here at 100.68, and this one is based on a setup which I call the volume accumulation setup. Volume accumulation setup is when there's a rotation with heavy volumes from which strong trend activity starts. So this is the strong trend activity. This is the rotation with heavy volumes. So from here, the trend activity started, and because it was a downtrend, it is likely that sellers were building up their short positions in here, right? So this should work as a resistance, because when there is a pullback to this resistance in the future, then sellers from here will want to defend their shorts and push the price downwards from there again. Right, this zone is important for them because they placed a lot of their shorts here, and that's why they should become active and start defending this level in the future. Alright, so ideal scenario is the price makes a pullback to the first resistance at 100.26, makes a reaction, then pullback to 100.68 and a reaction. Alright, so that's the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. The next pair that I like to comment on is Swiss franc Japanese yen. So in here, the situation is very similar. We also have a trend setup and volume accumulation setup. In this case, the first volume cluster is beginning at 147.32. This is the downtrend, right? So when there's a pullback, then I'll be expecting a reaction from here. And the second heavy volume zone, the heavy volume zone from which this downtrend started, is in here, and that heavy volume zone begins at 148.06. So this will work as another resistance. So this is resistance number 1, resistance number 2. Reasoning behind those resistances is very similar as on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen as on the previous case. So what we need to do now is just wait for the price to make it back to those resistances and take it from there. Alright, if there is no upcoming macro news, then you can even use simple limit orders to trade those. Alright, so that's about that. That's about the new trading ideas for this video. And before I wrap this video up, what I like to do is announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was Flexible Volume Profile Indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform. And right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. And the only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube. And next week I'll randomly pick one person to win in the contest, to win the volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you like it, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our courses, then I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the members area. So that's about that. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Until then, happy trading.